Alright, so this right here is an old vintage Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. You can see that top thing is off, which is a little scary. But this is something I've never seen before. I've never seen like an old lamp, ceiling fan before. It's kind of crazy. Once you let's turn on the light first. Very nice and bright. Let's turn it on. I think you just put it in once or twice. Well, that thing's wobbly. Once I did that, it gets wobbly. It's crazy as heck. But this is low, actually. You have to pull it 2 times. But this thing, you'll see what I mean. I haven't used this thing forever, but it's pretty crazy. I mean, seriously, it is. Okay. Overall, for low speed, it's starting to wobble a little, but you can't really tell on camera. Oh, and I can hear the sound on it too. Let's go do medium. Oh yeah, it's starting to wobble now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's medium. And there's one more speed on this thing. I just want to be careful here. Alright. Here's high. Less speed. Okay. Alright, not as wobbly as I thought it would be, but this thing is sketchy. Okay. Here's the light. Can't really see that. There it is. There's your light. Alright. Alright, let's turn this thing off. Alright, see you guys. Bye.